I'm stoning the sides of my hammer again, 1861 Pietta Navy. Trying to eliminate cap failures, trying to make the hammer fall smoothly without any hesitation. Got most of the patina off. I'm trying to get all the patina off. Anything metal to metal. I'm going to be doing the trigger right here. Got most of it off. And then I'm going to be doing the bolt. That's metal to metal. It goes up and down. And I'm going to be doing the hand and spring. Got a lot of it on the face off, but there's still a little bit around with that. And also I'm going to be doing the screws because they rotate. Some of the parts rotate on the stems of these screws. So that's what I'm doing, and I'm going to continue. I'm getting that going. And I'm also obviously going to do the sandpaper on obviously the hammer rides. Going to get that all polished up. So I continue. Using the corner of the stone on the screws, staying away from the threads, of course. I think it works better than sandpaper. I've got somewhere to go. So I got the hammer screw done pretty well. Working on the bolt screw. And that's coming along. But I want to get it nice and polished. I don't want to have a single thing impede that hammer fall. I want everything rotating smoothly. Polished, cleaned, greased up. We'll see. Feels a little hesitant through here, but we'll see. Maybe. Alright, I may be looking for another mainspring vendor if this doesn't work. So, thank you for watching. Mark Target, YouTube, Black Powder Yard. My blog's blackpowderyard.com. Thank you for watching.